श्रील प्रभुपाद। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण प्रेष्ठाय श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्य पाश्चात्य देश श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापित स्वयं रूप ददाति स्वपदा। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्री भगवानुवाच सुहृन्मित्रारि उदासीन मध्यस्तद्वेष्य बन्धुषु साधुषु अपि च पापिषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते। सुहृन्मित्रारि उदासीन मध्यस्तद्वेष्य बन्धुषु साधुषु अपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते। 6 सुहृन्मित्रारि उदासीन मध्यस्तद्वेष्य बन्धुषु साधुषु अपि च पापिषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते। Shri Bhagavan Vacha continues. So when somebody is jitatmana prasantasya paramatma samahitaha, and also jnana vijnana triptatma kutasto vijatendriyaha. When somebody is situated internally, confidentially, internally, fully satisfied, triptatma kutasto, yeah, then they are vijatendriya outside, and they have jnana, vijnana also is there. They are yuktate uchyati yogi. They are called yogi, and they have samaloshrashma kanchanaha. Sama loshtrashma kanchanaha. The pebbles and stones or gold are the same for them. They are situated in a confidential, internally and confidentially. So these material things are the same for them, whether it is stones or gold. Then how about the people? Okay, somebody is very renowned, they don't wear any gold at all. Gold and stone is the same for them. How about the people? सुहृन्मित्रारि उदासीन मध्यस्थद्वेष्य बन्धुषु साधुषु अपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते. Whether it is suhrun, well-wishers, or mitra, affectionate friends, ari, enemies, udasina, neutral people, madhyastha, mediators, dveshya, envious, bandhushu, relatives, sadhushu, apicha papeshu, pious people or impious people or sinners whoever they may be, however they may be, however they may treat this realized person, whoever they may be, samabuddhir visishyate. For this yogi who is kutasto, praptatma, confidentially and internally situated, deeply satisfied, whoever any body may be, any body, whoever they may be, however they may be, samadrishtir visishyate, samabuddhir visishyate. Drishti also, buddhi also. Samabuddhir visishyate. To anybody, the vision is the same. Equal intelligence, samabuddhi. Oh, they are all Krishnas. Magical, huh? Oh, whatever they may be, whoever they may be, however they may be, to everyone and to him. For this yogi, the bhakti yogi, they are just, they are Krishnas. Simply that. Samabuddhi, equal intelligence. And the intelligence is the intelligence of Sri Bhagavan Uvacha. Mamaivamsho jiva loke jiva bhutas. Bhagavan Uvachas is the intelligence of this bhakti yogi. Samabuddhir visishyate. And yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasi stitah ekaki yata chittatma nirashir aparigraha. Beautiful. Actually, there is no dry subject matter anymore in Bhagavad Gita. Not even the first 5 chapters, which is so-called Nishkama Karma Yoga. When Krishna comes, where is the dryness? He is Rasovaisaha. So Bhagavan is saying, Yogi yunjita satatam. Yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasi stitaha. So this yogi, this bhakti yogi, like this is very internally confidentially situated. Satatam atmanam rahasi stitaha. Always situated in this internal place. Atmanam rahasi stitaha. Ekaki yata chittatma. Ekaki rahasi stitaha is confidential. Ekaki is in a secluded place by one's own self. Nirasir aparigraha. This is important. Without being nirashir aparigraha, there will still be stickiness to this world, whatever label we may put in, good or bad. Nirashir, there is no asha in regards to anything material. Untouched. The bhakti yogi doesn't really touch things outside. Whatever intention might be inside, good, even good also. What a good intention in a conditioned soul can bring auspiciousness outside. If that conditioned soul is still in the clutches of ego, even if there is desire to do good, then that's tainted by ego. So that bhakti yogi realizes, this is the situation of jiva. Nirashir. There is no intention to touch anything outside. Like the water on a water drop on a lotus leaf. Aparigraha. There is no possessiveness. There is no minus. Oh, those people are there, but these people are mine. Oh, those people may not know me, but these people know me because they are my family. My possessiveness. So there is no possessiveness. Anybody is a body. Anybody is just a body. That's Krishna's. No possessiveness. And Nirashar. There is nothing that can be done to this world by a conditioned jiva. Mercy has to just flow. That's all. Nirashar and aparigraha. Like this. This is the vision of a bhakti yogi on the people outside, on the bodies outside. While we heard about the vision on the things outside, the stones or gold, pebbles, stones, gold are the same. Anybody is the same, however they are the same, whatever they are the same. Krishna's. That's all. Nirashar aparigraha. Because they are satatam atmanam rahasistitaha. Samsaradava nalidaloka tranaya karunya kanatvam praptasya kalyana gunarnavasyam vande guru shri charanarvindam. Mahaprabhu ki tanarutya geetam vaditramarjan mansurasena romanchakampa shrutaranga bhajam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Vigraharadhana Nityananam Shringaratan Mandiramachanadam Yuktasya Bhaktamscha Niyunjatopi Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Chaturveda Shri Bhagavad Prasadam Svadannatriptam Haribhaktya Sangam Kritvaiva Triptim Bhaja Tatsadaiva Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Radhika Madhavayorapayo Madhurya Leela Gunarupanamnam Pratikshana Swadhanalolupasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Guru is like an auspicious cloud giving us Krishna. So whatever mercy that we are getting, dear devotees, that is sending mercy, we understand that it is coming from pure souls. Our Guru Parampara, Acharyas, Srila Prabhupada, and our Gurudevas who are purified souls. All this mercy is from them. So always we want to be in the thoughts of these Bhagavatas, the pure-hearted, infallible souls. Krishnir Matirastu. Always thinking of Krishna and these great Mahat Bhaktas that are infallible. The mercy is coming from them. So Sadhguru, he gives us Krishna. Krishna, the Sadhguru is always absorbed in the loving service of Bhagavan. Loving service of Bhagavan in the Nama. Oh my goodness, where is it that is Bhagavan not present? Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. Isn't that Bhagavan there? Where is he that is not present? But this is Krishna Samsara. It's Shri Guru that gives us Krishna. He shows how everything is Krishna's. How everybody is Krishna's. How there is nothing, no one but Krishna. That's Sadhguru. So he's always engaged in the seva, loving seva of Bhagavan, in the Nama, in the Sri Vigraha. Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities. And where is it that Bhagavan is not there? Mm. So, Bhagavan is everywhere. Aham sarvasya prabhavo. Bhagavan is in Suhridam sarva bhutanam. Bhagavan is in the heart. Everywhere in the heart, in the Sri Vigraha. The very same Bhagavan, he comes in the form of Nama. Same very Bhagavan. When the Nama completely purifies us and very mercifully allows us to be situated within it, then we see there is Nama is Dhamma with the Rupa Guna Leela right there. Wherever we see Krishna, the deity on the altar, a picture here, a picture there, a sketch here, a sketch there, everywhere. Because the heart is purified, it just goes into the Rupa Guna Leela. There doesn't have to be any katha also from outside. It just happens so naturally. Because Bhagavan is everywhere. It's only a matter of heart being purified. Purified by the direction, the instructions of the purified souls, and Pavanam, Pavane Pyopi, Sri Harinama. That's all. So, Sadhguru, he's always, every moment, he's relishing Bhagavan's Bhakti Rasa, absorbed in the Nama Rupa Guna Leela of Bhagavan. Shri Shri Radha Madhava, Shri Radha Ramana. Today's Shri Radha Raman's appearance day. From Shri Gopala Bhatta's Shalakrama Shalas.